Hi, welcome to HubSpot 101, the video series where I show you useful tips and tricks based on basic HubSpot features. And for today's video, I would like to talk about what we call HubSpot Company Insight. So what is HubSpot Company Insight is like an invisible features of HubSpot that will gather a lot of different information based on the companies you will add on your CRM. So basically, every time you will create a new company and fill the company domain name field, HubSpot will use a lot of third-party services to gather the most information they can about a specific company to give you all the insights you need to understand who just joined your database. So for instance, you have a lead magnet on your website, a specific lead fills a form, and automatically a company is created associated to this contact. You can, in one click, see all the information you need about the company of this new generated lead. So just to show you how it looks like, when you create a company, you just need to add the company domain name. So let's say tesla.com, and you can see automatically they will find the company name, the industry, the city, the state, the postal code, number of employees, etc, etc. You create it, and on your left sidebar, you will see all the different information they managed to bring. So postal code, number of employee, annual revenue, time zone, a description, the LinkedIn company page, etc. By clicking on actions and view all properties under the company information section, you will see the entirety of data that HubSpot managed to collect about this specific company. And one that is particularly interesting is the web technologies that will gather all the information they can about the technology this specific company use. One important thing to understand about it is that you should see this HubSpot Insight as a bonus information. What do I mean by bonus? It means that if for some reason you already gathered the information of the city, for instance, on your form, it will not overwrite what the lead filled in the form. Same thing, if you sync a company database through API or through a connected app, HubSpot Insight will not override the existing information. It will just provide new information on your company record. The last thing I need to show you about HubSpot Company Insight is how to turn it on or off depending on your needs. So you just click to Settings, make sure you're under Objects, Companies, and Setup. The only thing you need to do is just to click here to turn it off, or if it's already off, click here to turn it on. So I hope this video was useful for you. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel to make sure to don't miss any new videos. And if you want to have all the knowledge to properly set up your HubSpot portal, you can find on the description below a link to my ultimate HubSpot setup guide. That is a free group of 40 videos that will explain you how to set up your HubSpot portal in the most optimized way possible. It was Greg. I wish you a good day and see you soon.